Here's our 2012 Chevy Impala. It's 20,000 miles on it. Runs and drives great. Salvage title due to light front end damage. It was, and there's a little bit of rear damage. The front bumper cover was replaced, but there was no damage, obviously, as you can see here, to the upper core support. That's all original. All the cooling's all original. We didn't do anything with that. Basically, the front bumper cover had some cracks here, and the grille was cracked there. And then, of course, the hood itself, just along the front edge, had some dents in it. So the hood and the front bumper cover was replaced. Even the headlights are still original to the vehicle. Tires, of course, 20,000 miles on it, are in great condition. Here we have the front license plate bracket if you want that or don't want that, depending upon where you live. We left it off the vehicle since there was a new front bumper cover installed. We didn't want to put holes in the front bumper cover unless absolutely necessary. The rear bumper cover and trunk lid was replaced. That tail light there is original to the vehicle. This tail light was replaced. Go ahead and we'll pop the trunk here. Very spacious trunk. I'd say that's a 2 or 3 body trunk there. Go ahead and shut the car off. Open the door there that shuts everything off. We'll go ahead and do a fresh restart. You see it's got 23,541 miles on it. Runs and drives great. There was no suspension damage, no frame damage, no drivetrain damage. See, we do have an owner's manual. Looks like we have several keys for the car, but only one key fob itself, as you can see here. No airbags deployed. Go for a little drive. Everything works, all the power windows, of course, as you can see, they go up and down. Power locks. I know we're only going about 41 miles an hour there, but as you can see, I just turned the cruise on. Shut the cruise off. No shimmies, no shakes, squeaks, clunks, or anything like that. Runs and drives just like as if it was brand new. Bring up the speed here a little bit. You can see we're going up to speed, and I'll go ahead, I'll let go of the steering wheel. You see I'm not touching it whatsoever. We're still going straight down the road. Doesn't pull one way or another. again. Radio works fine. No, you can't tell in a video, but I swear to you, the AC does work just fine. Nice and cold air. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to email us.